αλλά...
Oh.
Ναι, ανοίξτε λίγο το χώρο άμα μπορείτε, είναι αρκετός ο κόσμος, αλλά έχουμε χώρο. Ολόκληρη μαρκέτα είναι αλίμονο. Λοιπόν, we have invited the entire community, ladies and gentlemen. We put a call out about a month or two ago to all the local dance groups. I'll be back on very soon. Of course, from the morning we've had boys and girls from the Manassas School of Greek Dance and Culture entertaining you all. From our establishment in 1979, we've been just down the road in Northwood when we first started. The last 20 years we were in Preston, and now, just last year, we migrated from Preston. We literally crossed the road and the postcode changed to Thornbury. But nonetheless, Darebin, born and bred for many of you, intergenerational dancers as well. My father had the humbling honour of teaching many parents here today, and now I have the honour of teaching your children. Yvonne, every year our Greek celebration
hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm already
in March,
we're
to coincide with the Greek
at
National Day, which is the 25th
Greek
of
Festival.
March. The dances that are gravitating around the 25th of March are generally a little bit slower, a little bit more complex, but very, very important and significant to us as Greeks and our culture. The next performance you're going to see are dancers predominantly from the region of Thessalia in central Greece with traditional costumes both from our school's collection but also authentic costumes, some of which have garments on them that are over 100 years old. They've been meticulously maintained and passed down through generations, and now they're in our possession and our care, and we wear them here for you today to see. We have a cohort of seniors from Thornbury, some of our Oakleys as well. Let's welcome them as they dance in with Berati.
Μαζί το Μόσκο στα μάλα, ως της Θεσσαλίας στα χωριά.
Στην αγκαλιά σου παλέμε, στην αγκαλιά σου ωραία παλέμε, και ό,τι θέλεις κάνε με.
Θα σε βρε βλάχακι, να μου φύγει το νεράκι, να μου φύγει το νεράκι, θα σε πάρω βρε βλάχακι.
Ωραία μάτι μας λες, τα γιά θα φύγω και θα κλαις, τα γιά θα φύγω και θα κλαις, που είσαι αγάπη μου θα κλαις.
Πως μ' αγαπάς και σ' αγαπώ, πως μ' αγαπάς και σ' αγαπώ, το πράγμα είναι φανερό.
Right there! I said there's yellow right there!
Ωραία να μιλώ και
Άισα πας πολύ, πολύ ψηλή.
This is awesome! If you like this video, like and subscribe!
I
Φερωμένο στο περίπτωμα.
This is awesome. I can't believe I got to see my friend Yara.